A genuine smile is the best compliment you can give. Listen to her like her words are the most important melody. Surprise her with thoughtful gestures, not just on special occasions. In her chaos, find the calm and be her peace. Compliment her intelligence. Beauty fades, but a sharp mind lasts forever. Hold her hand like you never want to let go. Notice the little things. They often mean the most. Make her laugh. It's the shortest distance between two hearts. Celebrate her successes like they're your own. Cherish the moments, not just the milestones. Create inside jokes that are just yours. Encourage her dreams and be her biggest cheerleader. Be her partner in crime and her voice of reason. Send random texts to remind her she's on your mind. Never underestimate the power of a sincere apology. Cook a meal together. The way to the heart is through the stomach. Remember details about her life. It shows you're invested. Hold her close and dance like no one is watching. Be patient. Understanding takes time, but it's worth it. Give her space when she needs it, but always be there when she doesn't. Surround her with positive energy and uplifting vibes. Make her feel valued, not just loved. Write her handwritten notes. It's a lost art that means a lot. Plan spontaneous dates. Routine can be the enemy of excitement. Be her safe haven in the storm of life. Share your vulnerabilities. It creates a deeper connection. Support her passions, even if they differ from your own. Tell her she's beautiful, even on her bad days. Learn to say I love you in different ways, both big and small. Be genuinely interested in her opinions and thoughts. Celebrate the beauty of her uniqueness. Hold her when she needs strength, and let her hold you when you do. Make her feel like she's the most important person in the room. Surprise her with acts of kindness. They never go unnoticed. Create a playlist of your songs that hold special meaning. Show appreciation for the effort she puts into the relationship. Speak words of affirmation. They linger in the heart. Be her partner in growth, always encouraging self-improvement. Embrace the power of we in every aspect of your lives. Express gratitude for the joy she brings into your life. Sex without love is as hollow and ridiculous as love without sex. Good sex is like good bridge. If you don't have a good partner, you'd better have a good hand. Apologize with sincerity and learn from your mistakes. Keep the romance alive with spontaneous acts of love. Create memories that will be cherished for a lifetime. Be her biggest supporter and her most honest critic. Love her not just for who she is, but for who she inspires you to be.